Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. And in today's video, we're taking a look at this walking pad under desk treadmill. Now this right here is the treadmill, and in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the features that it offers as well as what you can expect when you get it. Now the first thing I noticed about this treadmill is just how nice and high quality the belt on this treadmill is. It has a very good grip to it, it's nice and durable, and has a very heavy duty build. Now, some of the great features about this treadmill is that it actually keeps track of a lot of important information, such as your time, how long you've been running, your speed, how fast you're actually going, how many calories you've burned in this workout, and also how far you've gone or your distance. Now, I really like the fact that this treadmill is nice and lightweight. It is small enough that you can go ahead and just easily slide it under a bed or a desk to store it. And I love the fact that it has a nice long cord that you can easily plug it in even if you're not close to an outlet. Overall, I've been very impressed with this walking pad under desk treadmill. I think it's a really great product and it's very high quality, and for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.